Okay, I went out shopping with the missus today, and we went to Aldi, and that's Aldi. That's Aldi UK and Ireland. I think they're pretty much one and the same, except for on paper. So yeah, and we got this. I saw this, and I thought this looks quite good. But then I saw the price points, and it was €4.95. So that's about $6 US, or it would be like maybe like £4 or something in Britain. But yeah, I saw it, and it looks a really nice finish. This silicone casing makes it look a lot more expensive than it is, and first looks, it looks as if it's a slider, looks as if it's a slider core. But once you get in there, it actually looks more like, can't get the light in there. It actually looks more like a wafer core with a little nubbin that comes out. You can just see the nubbin in the bottom right hand corner there. A nubbin, a kind of a J-leg that comes out into the center of the keyway, and that's what the S groove down the bottom of the down the middle of the key. That's what actually positions the wafers, in opposed to actual sliders that engage with the Bible, from the core to the Bible. So, but yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I don't want to break my vice because applying pressure unevenly. It's quite small. It fills up the whole vice, but it's, hopefully that'll be strong enough. I'll just get. We just want to catch that inner edge there. We don't want to go very deep because we'll start. Where is that? Where's that single slider? Did I misplace it? Did I pick it up? I don't know. We'll try this anyway. We will. Movement there. I'll just rake it. That some gap. Oh, moved again. Can we get it again? It's not that one. It's not that one. Something moved. There we go. That was a lot harder than when the camera wasn't rolling. But yeah, it was. You can see the so without the silicone, it would be quite easy. I think this is plastic. I think these are plastic. I don't think it's metal. But yeah, there's very little weight to this. So yeah, you could put it anywhere. You could put that there. You could put that up by the handlebars, around the handlebars, underneath, or around the crossbar, or around the wheel. Wherever you put that, it's that size. So yeah, but no, I mean, like I say, I mean, it looks absolutely It looks delicious. It looks really nice. It looks really expensive. But yeah, pick resistance. Not that great. Just close it without engaging. There we go. So yeah, that's the Aldi one. If you're not completely satisfied with this product, please return it. Sturdy, compact, lightweight construction. Yeah, they're using the lack of hard materials as a selling point. Silicon sleeve, two keys. Yeah, it doesn't say. But no, that was nice. I would use that for it's nice and lightweight. It's small. You're just leaving your bike outside a shop, going in to buy a can of motorbike energy drink or something, then yeah, that would be a decent product to throw in the backpack.